What if you could get back 10 hours every single week without working harder? It's not magic, it's automation. And today you'll learn how to start using it, no coding required. Automation is simply teaching technology to handle repetitive tasks for you. Think of it like setting up dominoes. You spend a few minutes arranging them once, and then they fall perfectly every time after. Your phone backs up photos automatically. Your coffee maker turns on at 7 a.m. That's automation. But it goes further. Tools like Zapier or Make can connect your apps. Get a new email? It's saved to Google Drive instantly. New lead in your form? It's added to your spreadsheet. No copying, no pasting. You set it up once, it runs forever. Your move. Pick one boring task you do every day, like saving email attachments or posting to social media. Google that task plus automation. You'll find a tutorial in minutes. Do that this week. Reclaim your first hour. Then come back and tell us what you automated. We read every comment. Technology should work for you, not the other way around. Hit subscribe. Next week, the 3 automations that saved me 15 hours last month.